Hello everyone and welcome to another DeFi decentralized finance tutorial. Today we're going to learn about Mirror protocol and how we can basically buy stocks on the blockchain. Isn't it amazing? We can buy stocks and hold them on the blockchain itself. It's not the real stock though, it's synthetic assets. It's the price is being reflected from real life assets. But this is how it's look like. So when you go to mirror.finance, you go to the main websites and you can see it's assets that are reflected on the blockchain. Any asset can be reflected on the blockchain. Mostly it's going to be stocks. You can read about the documents and the white paper, and they also have a Telegram and Discord community if you want to learn more about it. We're gonna have several videos that explain also the technical stuff about Mirror and other DeFi projects. This is just the beginning, so expect more to come. So let's go to the basic how it works. So basically, anyone can create a fungible asset, synthetic asset, and the asset price will be tracked from the real world asset price. So, which means that if the real stock value is being changed on the Nasdaq or any other stock exchange, if it's the New York Stock Exchange or any other stock, then the price will be reflected on the blockchain using oracles, using basically oracles that in a decentralized way know to reflect the real price asset on the blockchain. Anyone can mint a mirror asset, but of course he will have to create some kind of collateral, some kind of hedge that in case there will be a delta between the asset price on the blockchain and on the real life, this changes and will be hedged and using a collateral of 150% of the current asset value in Terra stablecoins. Terra blockchain is the Luna blockchain stablecoins, so-called UST, US Tether dollars, US Terra dollars. So let's dive deep into how it actually works. Basically, we can use the web app. You can use Mirror protocol on Ethereum blockchain or on Terra blockchain. I recommend right now in the month of May, do not use Ethereum blockchain since the fees for transactions for every action that you will have to do, if it's swapping or staking or and other things that we will learn in the future, will be very, very expensive in terms of Ethereum fees. That's why I use the Terra blockchain instead. So let's open the app, and now we're connected to the Terra Mirror Finance, the blockchain, the app on Terra blockchain. You can see that already the wallet has been opened, but let's just remove it from this for a second. In order to use this blockchain, this Mirror app in blockchain, you will have to download an extension called Terra Wallet. You can download it on Google Chrome or Brave browser, doesn't matter, it supports both. And once you download, you can download the extension and create a new wallet. Very, very simple. Just go and download the Terra wallet, and bam, you're connected to the Terra blockchain. So I'm gonna keep this open. And now I see that I can create a new wallet. I can access my Ledger wallet. So if you want to be more secure and you have any hardware wallet or something that needs the physical access, if it's Ledger, then it's very, very easy to connect it. It's very, very similar to MetaMask if you are familiar with MetaMask. But for the example, let's just create a new wallet. So now we are creating a wallet, very simple like MetaMask. So just let's call it test wallet. And then let's set a password. The password has to be like 10 characters. And we have the seed phrase. I can copy it aside. Next. And now I will have to verify my seed phrase. So give me just one moment. The fourth word is this one. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the fourth word is love. And then the eighth word is divorce. Such a difference between love and divorce. All right, so now we have a new wallet. We have an address to this wallet. It's very similar to Ethereum blockchain or Binance Smart Chain if you are familiar with it already. So we are now on the mainnet, and right now the wallet is empty. But of course, I can charge it and fund it with funds, with UST or any stocks that I've been purchased already in Binance Smart Chain or any other blockchain or any other exchange. So I can deposit to this wallet. Now let's go to the website, and we see that. Let's refresh it. Now the wallet wants to connect to the website. We're going to allow it, and now we are connected. We see that right now we have 0 USD, but of course we can charge it and deposit later. This is the main page where you can see the dashboard of all the information about the liquidity, the volumes, the TVL, or other information. If we look on the top trading assets, we can see all the different stocks or assets, reflected assets that we can trade and buy on this platform. So as you can see, we can start by Miro. Miro is the token that represents the entire platform, the entire Miro Finance app. So this is the underlying token. Sorry. You see that you have also mirrored Ether, mirrored Bitcoin. These tokens will be pegged by the Bitcoin and Ether prices. Also silver, oil, Microsoft, Apple, Twitter, etc., etc., and the list goes on. Right now there are 23 assets. In the future, I think they plan to add even more. But let's say we want to buy Tesla stock. Okay, you see. Wait, before we go about exchanging and buying tokens, a very interesting thing here is the spread. So this spread means the difference between the price, the value of the asset on the blockchain to the real life asset. Let's say we consider the spread of M Google stock is 1.27. It means that right now the price of the stock on the Oracle price is 2.294 thousand USD, but in the real asset, if you go to the last close price of Google stock price, it will be $2,323. Why this happens is because there are always differences, and there are always deltas between the Oracle price and the real price, especially when it's the weekend. Right now it's Sunday and the stock market is closed. You cannot trade stocks. So the price fluctuates and moving because people trade these kind of stocks. And there are also arbitrageurs that balance the price between the derivative assets to the real life asset. So that's very interesting column, the spread and TerraSwap price, Oracle price, etc. So now let's say we want to buy a Tesla stock, so I can just click on Tesla, and using UST I can buy Tesla stock. Let's say I want to buy $500 of Tesla stocks. I can just write 500, and then I get 0.855 of the Tesla stock, which is really nice that I don't need to buy a full share, but I can just get a fractions or a small part of a share. So it's really, really nice. You can see the chart, the price, and everything. And basically, when I will click, if I will have enough UST, I can click buy, and then I will have to approve with my Terra wallet the transaction that we go to the Terra blockchain. And that's it. That's the first tutorial. Hope you enjoy it, how to trade and buy stocks on the blockchain using Miro protocol. More to come in the future. We're gonna talk about bridging between blockchains to Terra blockchain. We're gonna talk about staking, which is the really amazing thing about it, because you can just hold stocks and get yield for free. So expect more to come. Have a great week and stay safe.